VistaClad. Cladding inspired by nature. Thanks to years of product research and development, you can now enjoy the look, functionality and lifestyle benefits of Eva-Last composite on any siding or cladding project with VistaClad, a new level of cladding performance. VistaClad offers a complete cladding solution thanks to its innovative system with concealed fastening and trim to create a finished look. Using advanced engineering, Eva-Last's bamboo composite cladding system employs a sophisticated clip-lock design which allows boards to securely click and lock into place to withstand strong winds. Cladding installation has never been quicker, easier and more convenient. Available in Eva-Last's Infinity and Apex profile options, VistaClad is lightweight and can be easily installed thanks to Eva-Last's smartly engineered clip strips, which accommodate vertical, horizontal, and even diagonal applications. With clip strip options to choose from depending on the type of application required, VistaClad is designed to offer ventilation and natural insulation. VistaClad's epoxy-coated, zinc-galvanized clip strip profile options are made available to ensure flexibility in application. The flat clip strip is used and fitted directly to a wall substrate or frame. This option provides the smallest ventilation and/or drainage cavity, and fixing can only be done through the face of the clip strip. The top hat clip strip can fit over timber, composite or steel supports, but it can also be fixed directly to a wall, thus eliminating the need for framework and creating the ventilation and drainage cavity defined by the height of the top hat strip. Fixing of the top hat can be done through the face, the side and either side of the clip strip base. It's no secret, Eva-Last provides the most successful and durable composite materials available, with proven moisture, stain and fade resistance. And VistaClad offers all the low-maintenance, long-lasting and environmental benefits in one smart cladding solution. Several cost-saving factors make VistaClad an affordable and extremely competitive cladding solution by saving time and money through quick, simplified installation and the overall maintenance and upkeep. Like all Eva-Last products, VistaClad is manufactured sustainably and uses recycled and eco-friendly raw materials to produce a holistically sustainable cladding product. Available in both Apex technology and Infinity technology, VistaClad will stand the test of time in even the harshest climates. Thanks to a multitude of cost-saving benefits, advanced engineering, convenient ease of use, and superior performance and protection from the elements, VistaClad is revolutionizing the cladding sector. VistaClad. Cladding inspired by nature.